Hey you guys, I am making another fantastic sandwich. You guys loved the veg toasty sandwich, so I thought I will show you something with chicken today. And this is really easy. It helps you if you have got some leftover chicken and it's got crunchy, it's got lots of flavor in the chicken, and I'll show you just how easy it is to make. And just want to say before I start, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and always let me know your thoughts on the video in the comments below. So here I have got a leftover piece of roast chicken, and I'm just going to take out some bits from here. So I have taken around 200 grams of this roast chicken, and I am just going to cut it into smaller pieces, kind of shred it up a little bit. I'm just taking a hot pan and just a tablespoon of oil. You could use sunflower, rapeseed oil, and then I'm going to add the chopped up chicken. And just for a few seconds, just going to heat it up. So I'm just going to add a good pinch of salt and a good pinch of ground black pepper. And 2 teaspoons of harissa pesto, and mix it. Just a drizzle of water. Just so that everything has combined well. And now I am going to cover and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. And it is ready. Smells amazing. Turn the heat off. And I'm going to just finish it with some coriander leaves and just combine it all up. So I have got a baguette here, and I am just going to cut it in half. And just put it in a hot oven for 2 minutes. Our baguettes have warmed up nicely, and I'm just going to spread some gorgeous mayonnaise on top. Then goes some tomatoes. Oh, yeah. And on top of that, I have got some red onions. some lettuce. I'm just going to finish the chicken with just a little squeeze of lemon juice or lime juice. It goes on top of our salad. And as you can see, ready in minutes. It's absolutely delicious. But if you don't have cooked chicken, you can do exactly the same thing. Just add finely chopped raw chicken and just let it cook. It might take 10 minutes or so to cook the chicken. But if you have any leftover chicken, then this is absolutely brilliant. Also, you can switch from coriander, you can switch to parsley. And if you don't have rose harissa pesto, which is I only found in the shops yesterday and I was really curious to use it, you could use some pepper paste, you could use chopped up tin jar peppers. So you can add something instead of that. So yeah, don't be put off by the harissa paste. And all that's left to do is eat it, which is going to be very tricky on camera. That is lovely. That is lush. That is so good. Everything comes together. It's packed with flavor. It's delicious. It took minutes to make. So no excuses. Hope you will enjoy this. Give us a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you again very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now. The crunch.